How to start drop shipping with no money, step by step. Many people think you need a lot of money to start a business, but what if I told you that you can start a drop shipping business with zero investment? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to start drop shipping with no money. This is a step by step guide, and by the end of this video you will know how to set up your own online store and start making money without spending anything upfront. Drop shipping is one of the easiest way to start an online businesses because you don't need to buy inventory and you only pay for product after making a sale. If you follow this step, you can launch your dropshipping store today without spending a single dollar. Step 1 is understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell product online but you don't keep any inventory. Instead, when someone buy you from your store, you purchase the product from a supplier and they ship it directly to the customer. This means no need for warehouse, packaging, or handling product yourself. Since you don't need to buy product upfront, dropshipping is one of the best way to start making money packaging or handling products yourself. Since you don't need to buy product upfront, drop shipping is one of the best way to start making money online with no investment. And step second is finding a free e-commerce platform. To start drop shipping for free, you need an online store. The best free platform are: first is Shopify free trial. Shopify gives a free trial, but after that you need to pay. Second is Big Cartel, a free plan for a small storage. And third is Saliva and WooCommerce, goods for WordPress users. Four is Facebook Marketplace and Instagram Shop. No website needed, just list and sell. For a completely free option, use Facebook Marketplace, TikTok Shop, or Instagram to start selling without a website. And step third is finding winning products. Since you are starting with no money, you need to sell trending products that people already want. Go to AliExpress hot product, Amazon bestseller, TikTok trends. Search TikTok made me buy it. Choose products that solve problem or have viral potential. Avoid electronics or complicated products to reduce customer complication or complaint. And step 4 is connecting with a free supplier. You need a supplier who will ship product directly to customers. Sign up on AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Drop, which offer free accounts. Contact supplier and ask if they can do dropshipping with no upfront cost. Once you find a good supplier, get product image and description from them. And step 5 is creating a free marketing strategy. Since you have no money, you need to market your products for free. The best way is TikTok organic marketing. Post product videos daily and Instagram reels. Share engaging short clips for your products and Facebook group. Join niche group and promote your store and Pinterest. Upload product image with links to your shop. If you consistently post viral style videos, one viral post can bring in hundreds of sales. And step 6 is handling order without spending money. Once someone buy from your store, go to your supplier and place the order using the customer money. For example, if you sell a product for $30 and your supplier sell it for $10, you make a $20 profit without every spending money yourself. Always focus on fast shipping supplier to avoid refund issue. Bonus tips: scaling your store for free. Once you make your first few sales, reinvest in better product videos and ads. Some platforms like TikTok and Facebook offer free ad credits for new users. Use this to test paid marketing. As your store grows, you can add more winning products and automate order fulfillment. Now you know exactly how to start a drop shipping businesses with no money. Which step are you going to start with first, and let me know in the comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more business idea that actually works. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.